Good evening, traders, and welcome back. For all of those people out there that are actually starting to trade the indexes, congratulations! A huge congratulations goes from me to you for having a look at what we do and then jumping up and taking advantage of it. Monday night was absolutely brilliant. Last night, well, we only got around about 50% return, but 50% return, you know, some people are waiting 10 years in a bank for 50%. So let me tell you, I know I'd prefer to be index trading. Let me run through what happened tonight. We didn't get anything to take advantage of the fall down at the start of the session. That's okay. We don't worry about that. It's ultimately a patient game. As it turns out, we were in quite a nice little reinitiation of this downtrend here with a sell bias. We're looking for continuation sell signals. Just so happens that we got one, which was brilliant. But you'll note with interest that it was literally staring right in the face of one of these big black support levels in the market. This one actually was at one of the previous pivots. As it turns out, we actually went 1.25 against us before then running down to 1 3/4 worth of profit. You know that the profit target is set at 2 points on this. We decided to reduce the profit target because of that big black line, and as a result, we did get our 1.75. Now, we weren't out of the market long before we did get a continuation buy signal. Now you'll note with interest that we are now letting the signals run until we get a reason to get out. In fact, for those that are building up an archive of my trading, you'll note that we're doing that categorically. As it turns out, this one here ran quite nicely. We only wanted 2 points out of it for a continuation against the bias, and those 2 points were delivered quite nicely. So we were off and racing. Good little start to the session. Now, as we look towards the afternoon session, this is the continuation that I was literally just talking about. Now, rolled along for a while. We actually got a first against the trend sell signal, and you know what we do? We actually don't take first against the trends. Now, this one would not have paid in total, so therefore, you know, good reason to stay out. In fact, I don't believe we actually got anything else for the rest of the session except for the continuation buy right at the end. Now, it was a shame that we missed out on this run up here of around about 2 points. As it turns out, we did get this big one towards the end. So ultimately, a reasonable session, even though we didn't actually get the majority signals we were chasing. All in all, how did we go? For anybody that knows that is trading our plan, or in fact knows how to push the button as we do, what does it mean? We got 5.75 points. Very lame tonight. 5.75. What does that mean? A 27.5% return was up for grabs. Now, for those that have been to the webinars, congratulations and welcome to the world of trading. For those that have never been to one of the webinars before, please do jump on the website simplytradeforyourfuture.com.au. Come down here to the book the free online webinar. Jump in there. If you put your details in, we'll get in contact with you and get you into the webinar. Webinars run every Monday night, 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Well, a reasonable night tonight, mind you, another profit night, so I suppose we can't complain. Looking forward to Thursday and Friday to see what we can get out of the market for the rest of the week. Have an absolutely brilliant night. Thanks for visiting, and bye for now.